Good morning, friends. This is MrShahnawazAlig. Today we will discuss the lesson plan. Here, this lesson plan is in mine, and this lesson plan is being made by me for the geography. Today we will discuss only the how to prepare a lesson plan. In another video, we will obviously discuss about the how to teach in the classroom with the lesson plan. Today only we will discuss on how to prepare lesson plan. Here you can see this is my lesson plan. You can see this, and I prepared for the geography. First you have to write the subject, or you can only write the lesson plan, and the another one you have to write date and time. As I mentioned the date and time, that is 21, 12 and 21. Now you have to write subject. Whatever you are preparing for the lesson plan, you can write the subject name, then name of the school, that is where you are going to teach this lesson plan. Okay, and you on the top other side you can write the class and period. The class and period you can write below the subject or below the name of the school. Okay, then you have to write topic. As I mentioned here, the topic, meaning, definition and scope of geography. Then you have to write general objective. As here shows the general objectives. The first one is to make the students interested for learning geography, and another one to prepare students for using geography in learning other subjects also. And the another one objective is to make students responsible towards environment, resources, developmental activities towards the society also. These general objectives may be different for other students, for different students. Okay, and then after general objectives you have to write specific objectives. Here you can see the first specific objective is students shall know meaning of geography, and another one is students shall know the definition of geography, and last one is students shall understand that why should they study the geography. This specific objective or general objective may be more than 3, 4, 5. It depends on you, and specific objectives mainly depends on the topic. You have to focus on topic when you are writing the specific objective. If you are writing the general objective, it may focus on the whole subject, but if you are write the specific objective, you have to focus on the topic. After a specific objective you have to write background knowledge, then the what type of the knowledge students have. The students are already aware the name of geography, and it is being studied in school science subjects group, social science subject group. Then you have to write the teaching aids, what type of teaching aid you are using, how many teaching, and the what, and you have to name also. As I mentioned, the globe having clear map, political and physical map also. And another one teaching aid is some charts regarding shape, size and location of planet Earth. Now you after that you have to write introduction. This is very important part, introduction. This is called introductory part. In this part you have to write introductory question, some introductory question. You have to write minimum 3. It depends on you how many questions are you writing here. This is very important because it direct your discussion, it direct your as your topic, where are you going to teach, which type of topic. It depends only on introductory questions, so focus on introductory question. As I mentioned in some introductory question, this question might be different for different students. As I said that this is my lesson plan. As I mentioned these introductory question, the first introductory question is how many subjects do we have in social science group in class 9, and student answered 4 subjects. And another question is what are the name of these subjects, as they answered history, geography, economics, civics. And another question, do you know anything regarding any subject? As he replied, no, it might be problematic question for them. Okay, then you have to write a statement of the aim, that you have to announce the topic, that as I written here that okay, don't worry, today we will shall discuss the meaning and definition of geography and scope of geography also. Then you have to divide the whole topic into different units, as I divided in 2 units. The first unit is meaning and definition of geography. Then after writing this, you have to ask some developmental questions like who coined the term geography? Answer is Eratosthenes. How has he coined the term? From 2 Greek words, geo and graphy. What he said about geography: to study the earth's surface. Is there any definition of geography except about definition? Yes, so many definitions. Okay, now you have to write narration, as I have written here. Geography is derived from 2 Greek words, geo, which means earth, and graphy, which means to write or to describe. With passage of time, meaning and definition of geography has been drastically changed. Last comprehensive definition of geography has been given by Richard Hartshorne, according to whom geography is concerned to provide accurate, orderly, and rational description and interpretation of various character of the earth's surface. Then you have to write evaluatory questions. What is the geography? Who has given the comprehensive definition of geography? What is the comprehensive definition of geography? Then you have to write blackboard summary. The word geography is coined by the great ancient Greek scholar 3rd century BC. The geography is the study of the earth's surface. Latest wide and comprehensive definition given by Richard Hartshorne. Perspective on the nature of geography. This book is published in 1959 by the Richard Hartshorne. Geography is concerned to provide accurate, orderly, and rational description and interpretation of variable character of the earth's surface. Now, moving to the another unit, the second unit, again you have to ask developmental questions. Why do we study the geography? Answer: to understand the nature, environment, society, community, etc. Can we live without studying the subject geography? Yes, but not in appropriate manner. Is there any link or relation of geography with other subjects? Yes, it has very wide area or field. It has relation with so many subjects. Then you have to also write narration again. Geography is the social science subject which deals with the study of man, his activities, and his environment. Its relevance cuts across many other subjects like economics, agriculture, science, government, history, etc. It enables man to have a better understanding of his environment. It enables us to have a better understanding of physical things around us, such as vegetation, climate, rivers, soil, oceans, mountains, etc. Geography enables us to choose a career from which we can earn a living. Now you have to write a evaluatory question also. What is the benefit of studying geography? What is the value of geography? How geography affects our daily life? Then again you have to write blackboard summary. Geography is a social science subject. History should be written geographically, and geography should be written historically. Geography is also open the easy path for our highest career. Then you have to write recapitulation. What is geography? How can we define geography? What is latest and comprehensive definition of geography? What is the scope of geography? Then you have to give some homework. You have to direct like revise the meaning, definition, nature, and scope of geography. Study the branches of geography. Okay, this were all about the lesson plan, as I made this lesson plan for myself and I shared with you. I hope it will help you. If you like this video, you can like this video and you can subscribe my channel. Your subscription and liking, obviously it will motivate me. Then this motivation I will come back with a great strength and energy. Thank you.